In the whole preparation, time management is also very crucial, right? How much time you should spend, how much time you should give, right? So in this respect, I would like to get your opinion, how to manage the time.
So regarding time management, I think first of all, it is more about the quality of hours, not about the quantity of hours. For instance, as I started the preparation, when I was not able to get anything, I used to study 12 hours. But after understanding UPSC and studying to the point, I wasn't able to cross 7 to 8 hours personally.
Right.
So first factor is this. Secondly, I think consistency is what matters. You should not break your consistency while managing your time. You should study daily and make sure that at least 6 to 7 hours you are able to study. In this case, discipline helps you a lot. If you can keep a certain period of time fixed that you will study in these hours, so that way it becomes easier. So when motivation is down, discipline helps you. It is a famous saying that. So I think being disciplined also helps. And one way to manage time is by giving test series regularly, because that way you are motivated also, and those 3 hours you also understand how to use your brain at a maximum capacity.
If I want to just let your audience know about your timetable of 24 hours every day, how much time you slept, how much time you had other activities, extracurricular hobbies, and how much time for your serious studies, then what would you like to say?
So first of all, sleep is extremely important. I never compromised on 8 hours of sleep.
Very right.
I slept definitely for 8 hours. Secondly, my study hours were around between 6 to 8 hours.
Right.
But that were like daily. So and those were very intense hours. I sometimes tried to study in library or in an atmosphere that is completely shut off from everything else with my mobile closed. So my brain completely got saturated in 6 to 8 hours. Then regarding hobby, generally I like to talk to people, my friends and family members. So in that aspect, I daily used to call my parents when I was outside, and when I stayed at home, I used to play or talk with my sister, a younger sister. So that helped me do after study hours.
Very right.